Okay, let's give you guys some more practice here. Find out the equation of the line that passes through this point here and this point here. So we could use a grid. So minus 10 minus 2. So this point here, minus 10 minus 2, minus 10 minus 2 would be here. Minus 10 going back here, and then minus 2 down here. So the first point would be there. And then the second point, minus 6, minus 6 and 3. So minus 6 and then 3 up. So the second point is here. So find out the equation for the line that passes through these 2 points. So the intercept will be somewhere up here. Okay, but remember we have to be able to do this without the grid. So all you're given is the question here. Just 2 points, this and this. So rather than using the grid, just draw it roughly. Okay, draw it roughly. This is your x. This is your y. Negative 10. Negative 2. So that would be somewhere here. This is just guesswork. So I'm guessing 10 to be around here, and then negative 2 down here. Now the second point would be negative 6. Well, if this is 10, this must be 5. So 6 must be around here. And then positive 3. Well, if 2 is this bit long, then 3 must be slightly longer. Then I'm going to guess 3 to be around here. Okay, so our line will look something like this, and so on. Okay, and the intercept is where the intercept is right here. Okay, well anyway, find out the equation for this line. So draw your own diagram. Okay, draw your own diagram. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so as I did it before, your diagram should look something like this. Minus 10, comma, minus 2, and the other one was somewhere around here. So it would be minus 6, comma, 3. Okay, so our straight line will look something like this. Okay, it's supposed to be a straight line. Let me do it again. Well, doesn't matter. Well, anyway, once you've got that straight line there, jump to the formula for a straight line. Y equals mx plus c. Now you need to know the gradient. So the gradient will be, well, it's always get the height divided by the width. Well, the height here would be well, it would be this distance here up. Well, this distance here is 3, and this distance here is 2. So well, the height, I'm interested in the y. So this is your y, this is your y here. If I want to know the height of this thing, I need to look at this figure and basically the y coordinates. Okay, so here I need to look at this and this. Now, because they're in 2 points are in different quadrants, then well, you got to somehow find the height of this. It turns out that you need to get 3, add 2, even though there's a negative there. You need to add 2. Okay, so the height will be 5 because 3 up and then 2 down. Well, the height would be 5, and the width here. Okay, the width. Well, from here to here is 10. So from here to here is 6. So basically, I'm going to get the 10 and then take away the 6. So what's left is 4. So basically, this thing here is 4. Okay. Now, and then the second thing I need to take note is going uphill. So the gradient would be positive. So anyway, the gradient would be always the height divided by the width, always. So the height divided by the width. And it's already it's a positive gradient, so we don't need to stick a minus in there. Okay, so this is our m here. So let's put that into m. So y equals 5x over 4 plus c. Now the question is, what is c? C is where it crosses the y-axis. So right there. Okay. So the trick that we normally use is select any point on the line. We could use this one here, or we could use this one here. You see, this one here, you're going to deal with two negatives. I always try to avoid negatives. It's up to you. It will still work. Here, I've got at least, well, I've got one negative and one positive. So I think this point here will be slightly less work for me. So anyway, this number, the coordinates here will be minus 6, comma 3. Minus 6 is your x, and 3 is your y. So let's put the 3 into the y, and the minus 6 into the x. Okay, so let's 5 times hang on, 5 times minus 6. Hang on, let me think. Yeah, 5 times minus 6 is minus 30, and then you've got the 4 here, plus c, and y. Well, don't forget we are putting the 3 into the y, so it will look like this. Okay. And now it's just a matter of finding out what c is. I normally visualize it like this. Do it whichever way you want. So to kill off this box, well, here you've got an equation. This side equals this box plus this box here. So let's kill off this box here so that c could be on its own. So add 3 over 4 to both sides. So take the 3 down, and then add 30 over 4. That will give you c. Okay, so turn this 3 into a fraction. Well, turn it into a fraction, so it will be 3 over 1 plus 30 over 4 equals c. Now times top and bottom here by 4. Just so that the two denominators can be the same. So this box here will become 12 over 1. Don't forget 12 over 4, sorry. Don't forget, 12 over 4 is the same as 3, but just written differently. So what I'm trying to say is this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. Just written differently, that's all. Okay, and then plus 30 over 4, this equals c. Now, the two denominators are the same, so let's merge them. So this will be 42. So c equals 42 over 4. So now all we need to do is put this back into the c here. Okay. So sorry, not into there, into here, into this one here. Okay. So let me rewrite this one over here. So this will be y equals 5x over 4 plus, well, c, plus c. Well, c is 42 over 4. So it will be 42 over 4. Now the two denominators are the same, so let's merge them. So this will be 5x plus 42. Okay, y. So the equation of that line is given by this here. Okay.